12 grams dry yeast, 100 milliliters warm water. Mix well and set aside for 20 minutes. 500 grams flour. Sift the flour well. 10 grams salt. 10 grams sugar. Make a well in the middle. Add the yeast already mixed with water beforehand. Start mixing. I'll mix it with a spoon and later I'll use my hands. Incorporate all the flour well. Make a ball with the dough, cover the dough and let it rest for 10 minutes. Knead the bread for 10 minutes. Form the dough into a ball. Cover the dough and leave for 2 hours. 2 hours later doubled in size. Now I'm going to create the shape for the bread. Cover the dough and leave for 30 minutes. Make a small cut in the dough. Give a good egg wash. Place a container in the oven with water, but only for the first 15 minutes. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. A full hand of spinach, 350 milliliters warm water. Blend well. 720 grams white bread flour, 14 grams dry yeast, 7 grams salt. Add half of the water. Start mix with a spoon. You can use hands. Add more water as you mix. Mix well. Now the dough is smooth. Place the dough in a bowl cover and let it rest for 10 minutes. 10 minutes after, I will knead the dough for around 10 minutes. Place the dough into the bowl. Let the dough rest for 2 hours. 2 hours later has doubled in size. Let's flat down the dough. Add 100 g Parma ham. Let's roll it. Let's seal the edges. Cover the dough and let it rest for 30 minutes. Make a few cuts on top of the dough. Brush the dough with the olive oil using the thyme as a brush. Bake at 140 Celsius or 465 Fahrenheit for 40 minutes.